Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is George and you're watching the SLOPAR Boys YouTube channel. So a lot of people have been asking me why I bought a Dodge Dart. Well, because I can. Just kidding. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the real reason I bought a Dodge Dart was because I needed a commuter vehicle. So lately I picked up a new job and my commute every day is 50 miles to work and 50 miles back to work. And so that means 100 miles a day, 500 miles a week, and that doesn't include leisure time or the weekends. So I was racking up miles on my Durango. I'm already at almost 50,000 miles and I've had it for not even 2 years yet. So I'm trying to keep the miles down on my Durango, so I picked up a 2015 Dodge Dart SXT, pretty much for short money, as my new commuter car. So I randomly stumbled upon this Dart. I was looking online. I had no idea what I wanted for a second car. My love for Mopars was great, but I couldn't afford a Challenger or a Charger or something like that on top of the Durango as well. So I was looking at my local Dodge dealership and I just so happened to stumble across this Dart, which is actually in the same paint color that my Durango is. So my 2018 Dodge Durango GT is in Octane Red Pearl. This one's called Passion Red, but it's basically the same color. They're both a pearlescent type of color, so they color match. So I figured it was perfect because now I've got a matching set of vehicles. I got a Durango and now I have a Dart. And the point of me having this Dart on top of being a commuter car is when I decide to start building up my Durango, I will be able to keep the miles off and I can continue to build the Durango without having to worry about mileage or anything else. Wow, there's a lot of traffic over here today. I never thought that I would own a Dodge Dart. I've heard nothing but bad things about these, but so far I haven't had any sort of major issues. I mean, I've only driven the vehicle about 2,000 miles roughly since I bought it. I bought it about mid-February, and at the time of this video, it's now, it's the beginning of March. So I just looked at you as if you're in the video. No one knows that you're there. So I don't have any real plans with the Dart. I did get it tinted because this vehicle was an absolute fishbowl, and I couldn't stand that. So I did go with dark tints. That's probably the only real mod that I'm gonna end up doing for a while. Once I'm done with the Durango, which, as you know, you're never finished with your vehicle, maybe I'll start doing some things, because I did look into a couple. I was gonna do a headlight upgrade and some visual mods. Probably not going to do any sort of performance mods because this is a Dodge Dart and it's not a performance vehicle. So I might do a cold air intake. I'm still debating on whether or not if I want to do an exhaust. So like I said, I don't have any real plans for this. All my plans and money is going into the Durango. Again, why I bought a Dart. That way I could keep the miles off the Durango and keep my Durango looking nice, because I am going to Carlisle, Pennsylvania this year for Mopar Nationals. I am going with a lot of friends from Mopars of Mass, so I'm very much looking forward to that. So this Dart is going to take all of the abuse of the 100 miles a day to and from work, and that way I can keep my Durango nice and clean. A couple small things about the Dart. So it is an SXT model, so there's really nothing special about it. The Dart was nothing ever special anyways, but the GT trim levels did come with leather and some nice, you get the big Uconnect touchscreen, which this doesn't have. This has the old school radio. So what's really weird is going in between having a Dodge Durango that has just about every option in that trim level to an SXT trim level that has absolutely nothing. I mean, I've got cloth seats and a very basic radio. I'm actually even surprised it has power locks and power windows, being a 2015 model. So far, I've really enjoyed driving the Dart. It's a little car, so it zips around pretty nice. It does have the 2.4 liter inline 4 engine, the biggest engine that could come with this. It's the multi-air, which also was in the Jeep Patriot, which was totally underpowered, by the way. And I know that because I had one with the same engine. This car does have a little bit of pep, oddly enough. It's kind of surprising. It's definitely nowhere as being fast, and it's definitely not as fast as my Durango. My Durango only has the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine, which is nice. But this does have the sport like Triptronic system, so it is pretty fun to go in and be in sport mode and do whatever, but it is just a dart.
Well, take your little dart into this gas station for me, will you?
Sure.
You got a mask?
Yes.
You get a mask.
I got the mask.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. All right, and now I'll wait for him to get back. Well, I hope everyone's having a good day, and make sure to stay hydrated, because when you do these videos, my mouth gets very dry. I will tell you that much. So apparently I can't open a water bottle today. What is going on with this? Yeah, that's good. Okay. Ooh, water. Very nice, very premium. Well, all right, welcome back.
Okay. So what about the dart not being fast?
Is no fast.
Okay.
All right, so the other thing I did want to talk about in this upload is a quick channel update. It's been a while since we've uploaded, and we do apologize for that. New England weather is absolutely terrible in the winter, and we figured everyone who has the nice cars for the Mom series has put them away, obviously with the salt on the road and everything. So we haven't had a chance to really film too much. We do have a lot of people in line who want to do or be part of the Mom series, so we promise we will get to everyone as soon as we can. It's going to be a summer-long project that we're going to be working on, spring, summer, and probably most of the fall. So definitely be on the lookout for that. We're going to try and do maybe a video a week. We haven't exactly discussed what the outcome is going to be yet. We're just finishing up getting the plans together for the Mom video, so we can make a good content for you guys. So on top of that, we do have 2 more exhaust videos coming, so make sure you check those out. We do have some very exciting things happening to Slow Ram. That's Isaac's truck, if you haven't already known that. So that will be coming about a month or so. Some very exciting news there. Definitely something that people haven't really seen too much of. So that's something to look forward to. And we also do want to mention that the track in New Hampshire is going to be opening very soon. So we are going to be planning some track days, and who knows, maybe I'll even take the dart out there. It's going to be funny. It's not very fast, but maybe I'll take it. We'll see. Definitely gonna get the Durango out there. I have a lot of plans for the Durango before Carlisle hits, so I have a lot to do until then, so I will keep everyone updated on the Durango page. Make sure you follow both Isaac and I on Instagram and any other social media platform, and those will be up on the screen for you after this video ends, just in case you want to follow us. And so until then, we will catch you guys next time. As always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to comment on the video and share it with your friends. So until then, we'll catch you next time.